नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू, माई सेल्फ योगा टीचर हरवीर शर्मा। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हरवीर शर्मा। सो कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप यू विल बी वेरी वेल। आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे, निरोग होंगे और अपनी रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस आप करते होंगे। तो आज मैं आपके सामने बहुत ही सुंदर वीडियो लेकर के आया हूँ। आज की मेरी प्रैक्टिस है एडवांस बैक बेंडिंग। एडवांस बैक बेंडिंग आप किस प्रकार से करेंगे? सो लेट मी स्टार्ट नाउ। सो इस प्रकार से फर्स्टली लिटिल वार्म अप, बोथ हैंड्स अप, इनहेल एंड स्ट्रेच योर आर्म एंड लुक अप। ऊपर की तरफ आपको देखना है। ब्रीथिंग करते हुए extend your arm, suck your belly in and come back and relax your both hands and look down. So from here again interlock your fingers, palms should be upside. Inhale, stretch your arms, suck your belly in and stay and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here now this time both hands up, interlock your fingers and palms should be upside and look up, suck your belly in, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and relax your both hands. And from here now this time you can use the step for the opening the upper back like this. So keep your both arms straight. Inhale and exhale. You can see me from this side like this here. Inhale and exhale like this. But make sure your elbow should be straight, continuous. You can do 5 or 10 times for the opening the upper back and the shoulder rotation. And you can close your gap. If you have more flexibility, so you can close your gap. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and relax. So now I will show you another step. So in this practice now we do the cat pose. अभी आपको cat pose में आना है. In the cat pose, make sure your wrist and shoulder should be one line and your knee and hip should be one line like this here. You can see me easily. Press your palm, inhale, lengthen your neck, press your palm and hip should be outside and arch your spine. Exhale, look down, roll your spine. One more time, inhale, look up, upside maximum, press your palm. And exhale, look down, roll your spine. And from here now this time come in the extended child pose like this. Keep your both arms straight. You can touch your chin and chest and lengthen your spine and stay breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. So now we do the another practice. So from here now again come in the cat pose, and from the cat pose come in the downward facing dog like this. Drop your heels, keep your arm straight and you can touch your head. If you have more flexibility, then drop your knee and press your hip region, open your shoulder and chest and come up. This is the upward facing dog. Again, tuck your toes, drop your both heels, keep spine and arm straight and try to touch your head. And now this time drop your knee and press your hip region, open your shoulder and chest and look up and come back. So from here now this time we use the block. अभी हमको block use करना है. So how you can use the block? So keep your both blocks here and one block like this. This is the supporting technique. How you can do the back bending practice. So lying down with the stomach. इस प्रकार से आपकी stomach को आपको यहाँ पर use करना है like this. And from here now this time bend your right leg and stay for few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Then change the legs. hold your ankle and press and stay and breathing. Open your shoulder and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and good. Come back, inhale, exhale, then relax. So now this time again, इस बार आपको दोबारा से hold your ankle and from here now this time take support with the left hand and hold your ankle and rotate your shoulder and try to touch your ankle with your head and stay. Chest upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back, inhale, exhale, then relax. So now this time drop your right elbow and hold your left ankle with the left hand and now this time rotate your shoulder, inhale, chest up and try to touch your head and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and relax. So this is the deeper back bending practice. Now I will show you another technique. So this is the one technique. So if you do can more, so I will show you again next technique. Again lying down with the stomach. Take support here. यहाँ पर आपकी वैली को टक करना है आपके ब्लॉक के साथ. देन फ्रॉम हियर नाउ दिस टाइम अभी हम अनदर हैंड से अनदर लेग को होल्ड करेंगे लाइक दिस. मैंने पहले राइट लेग को राइट हैंड के साथ होल्ड किया था. नाउ दिस इज द लिटिल चैलेंजिंग. नाउ दिस टाइम होल्ड योर लेफ्ट एंकल विद द राइट हैंड लाइक दिस एंड टेक सपोर्ट एंड स्टे एंड ब्रीथिंग. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and relax. Take support with your hands. Now this time change your leg. Bend the right leg and hold with the left hand and try to touch your head and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and relax. So this is the another technique for the back bending practice. Now I will show you more advanced level. So if you have super duper flexibility, so you can do more. इससे भी ज़्यादा आप कर सकते हैं. So I will show you next step. So look at me. Same technique. Block are the same. Block को आपको same position में रखना है. And now this time drop your navel and stomach on the block. And from here now this time bend your both knees. आपके दोनों नी को बेंड करना है and hold your both big toe and take support with the block like this. And now this time try to touch your head and stay and relax. So this is the advanced deeper back bending practice. So there are lot of variations in this practice. So I hope you can understand easily and you can do it. If you can do more, so I will show you in the another video. So मैं अगर आप इससे ज़्यादा करना चाहते हैं, so आपको मैं दूसरी वीडियो में show करूँगा. So I hope you can do it and you can stand easily, understand easily. So आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. सो मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप इसको बढ़िया से समझ पाएंगे, कर पाएंगे. तो मेरा आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन बटन दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे कि अगर मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो डालता हूँ तो आपको टाइम से अपडेट मिलता रहे. आप हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें, अपनी प्रैक्टिस बरकरार रखें और मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का इंतजार करें. नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू.